Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to do our homework on lesson 3, and it's solving using the arrow way. The first one is done for you, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the second question. Alrighty, so we're going to see 56 plus 40. What you do is you start with 56 and you add 4 tens. So you're going to make an arrow, add a 10, that is 66. 66, add a 10, that is 76. 76, add a 10, that is 86. 86, add a 10, that's going to be 96. So we added 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. So when we add the arrow away, we get our answer, which is 96. 56 plus 40 is 96. How can 56 plus 40 help you with 56 plus 41? Well, in the previous question, we added 40. Now we're adding one more. So what you do to your answer, you actually make it one more than 96. So that would be 97. Look at the next question. It says 56 plus 39. How does it look similar, this one, to 56 plus 40? Well, 39 is 1 less than 40. So what you do is you look at 96 and you count 1 less than 96, which would be 95. So the purpose of these 3 questions is for you to look at the relationship, look at what is similar to these numbers, to these number sentences to help you add. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have 68 minus 40. So we're going to continue. The first one is going to have to be arrow away. So we're going to take away 4 tens. So we take away a 10, we have 58. 58 take away a 10, we have 48. 48 take away a 10, we have 38. 38 take away a 10, we've got 28. Okay, we took away 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and our answer is 28. When you look at 68 minus 41, you're actually minusing one more, so that means it's not going to be 28, but it's going to be one less than 28 because you actually took one more away. So your answer would be 27. And if you look at 68 minus 39, it's similar to the first one, but instead of taking away 40, you're only taking away 39, which is 1 less. So your answer is going to be 1 more than 28, which would be 29. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try 87 minus 50. So we're taking away 10. We're taking away 5 tens, actually. 87 minus 10 is 77. 77 minus 10 is 67. 67 minus 10 is 57. 57 minus 10 is 47. 47 minus 10 is 37. Okay, so we took away 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so we took away 5 tens, so our answer would be 37. Okay, so then now it's very similar. 87 minus 51 is very similar to 87 minus 50. So we're actually taking...
All choir students, please report to room 109, the music room. All choir students to room 109.
So we're actually taking one more than 50. So then our answer would be 1 less than 37, which is 36. And if you look at 87 minus 49, we're taking 1 less from 50. Like we did 87 minus 50, now we're doing 87 minus 49, which is 1 less. So your answer would be 1 more than 49. So then the answer would be 38. Okay? All right, let's go to the back of the page. So when you do your homework, you're going to look at the back of the page. Oops. Here we go. It says solve using the arrow way, number bonds, or mental math. Use scrap paper as needed. You could do it right here. You could do the arrow way. You could start with 48 and you're going to minus 20. So I'm going to do 10 at a time. 48 minus 10, 38. 38 minus 10, 28. So 48 minus 20 is 28. Now we're taking away 21 from 48. So that's actually one more. So that means that's going to be, instead of 28, we're going to go down one, which would be 27. If you look at the next one, we're not doing 48 minus 20 now. We're doing 48 minus 19. So that's actually one less than 20. So your answer is going to be one more than 28, which is 29. Okay? Let's look at 86 minus 50. I'm going to do 86, take 10. We've got 76. 76, take 10 away. We've got 66. 66, take 10. We've got 56. 56, take 10. We've got 46. 46 minus 10 equals 36. So now we're going to do 86 minus 51. So that's actually taking one more away. So your answer is one less, which would be 35. Now we're going to take away 49, which is one less than 50. So your answer is going to increase by 1, which would make it 37. Okay, let's keep going. Now we're going to do 37 plus 40. So now we're going to start at 37 and we're going to increase 4 tens. So let's go ahead and add a 10, which would make 47. Then add another 10, which would make 57. Add a 10, which would make 67. And then add one more 10, which would be 77. So now we look at our second question. It says 37 plus 41. Well, 37 plus 40 is 77. Now we're going to add and increase one more. So instead of 77, it's going to increase by 1 because you're adding one more, which would be 78. Now when you do 37 plus 39, it's actually decreasing 1. So then 37 plus 39 would be 76. Okay, let's try this one. 62 plus 30. We're going to start at 62 and we're going to add 3 tens. So 10, that is 72. 72 plus 10, that is 82. 82 plus 10, that is 92. Your answer is 92. 62 plus 30 is 92. Now let's do 62 plus 31. Well, your answer is going to increase by 1 because you're adding one more. So that would be 93. Now let's look at 62 plus 29. Well, you're adding 1 less than 30. So your answer is going to decrease by 1. So now you're going to have 91. 77 minus 40. Okay, so we're going to start with 77, and we're going to take away 4 tens. Okay, so here's minus 10. We've got 67. 67 minus 10. We've got 57. 57 minus 10. We've got 47. 47 minus 10. You've got 37. Okay, so 77 minus 40 is 37. Well, 77 minus 41, you're actually subtracting one more. So then instead of 37, it's going to decrease by 1 because you subtracted one more. Now we have 77 minus 39. which we're actually subtracting one less. So your answer will increase one more to 38. Okay, let's go ahead and start at 28. And we're going to add 50. Plus 10, that's 38. Plus 10, that's 48. 48 plus 10, that's 58. 58 plus 10, 68. 68 plus 10, 78. Okay, so we added 5 tens, and 28 plus 50 is 78. 28 plus 51 is adding one more, so our answer increases to 79. 28 plus 49, well, we're actually decreasing 1. So instead of 50, we're decreasing 1 to 49. So then your answer will decrease to 77. Okay? Marcy had $84 in the bank. She took $39 out of her account. How much does she have in her account now? So if Marcy started with 84 and she took out 39, that means we are subtracting, okay? So we're going to do 84, and we're going to take away 3 tens 9. Okay, we're going to say it the 10 way. 3 tens 9. So we're going to minus 10. That will be 74. Minus 10, that's going to be 64. Minus 10, that's going to be 54. Now, we are going to take away, not 10, we're going to take away 9. So 54 minus 9 is 45. So my answer is 45. So I'll just put $45. That's how much she has left in her account. Brian has 92 centimeters of rope. He cuts off a piece, which is 49 centimeters long, to tie a package. How much of the rope does he have left? Again, he starts with 92 centimeters of rope. He cuts some off so that he can tie a package. When you remove...
Ms. Robles?
Yes, ma'am?
Can you send Sarah DeWitt to the front office at dismissal, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
So 92 minus 49. So we're going to start at 92. And we're going to take away 10. Because we're taking away 49, right? 4 tens 9. Okay, so 92 minus 10, 82. 82 minus 10, 72. 72 minus 10, 62. 62 minus 10, 52. Okay, we're not going to take away another 10. Now we're going to take away, oops, I ran out of space. Let me make some space here. Now we're not going to take away 10. We're actually going to take away 9. It's 4 tens 9. So now we do 52 minus 9. And that is going to equal 43. Okay? So how much does Brian have left? 43 centimeters. Okay. To tie a different, let me put centimeters. Is it centimeters? Yes, it is. I'm going to put cm. cm, okay, for centimeters. To tie a different package, Brian needs another piece of rope that is 8 centimeters shorter than the one he just cut. Does he have enough rope left?